Quality for me be aquaba about attention TV. So one say, Ebusumi a tram within some be a fee a rich hospital, the son say, Papa be a washer in the year and in the Benyawo, a rich hospital. What they are some no cut down quarter G a year 30,000 billion a diamano, yeah. Not as a quiet fast where money you didn't we no and track him. A BSc, a Kumasi Juaben, a government hospital, also a year of Hosempa. A year about you be an answer, mammy be a friend or a maybe a mensan. Well, no one knew my busumi back on Cronum. Let me say a bray a tramhoka cry say 2 weeks be a better and chronoka cry say, Hanty. Walk hospitals walk G a war. Now walk na ye train na ya one man. Now a doctor funny nurse the force to see sank ye any CS. One must see there be a whom he has a baby CS name of ye man first labor, send your bear. Aqualano ebe bantam. Na nurse near would dick a drone I was what the man no. A drone a back by a chim of 4 near the amanon cranka. Into nurse so dick can share and a panel de can emano near the kind. And I'm said time soon I was signing out. Now Okoye and I who some say I was signing out or Okoye. One fanechi and Jania with Jan, maybe a man or no so best start a drove from beginning. When I'm so I'm a sister, what would the so Akolana and Frimunemu, Akolana is sebi. Woman no essence so mutia chaka crano. Akolana did them as I maybe so now what dear whom I touch macacra. When a lawyer or Kumasi or no Kasama a year all these things, you know, one no man quite one fast seminal and go court na scan the chest ne bano na from Subian in whom ne nam some wrong medication no and a ma Akolano edit them. Where ya 43 billion ama Mabel Yaji caught a German. Say, see, and the Camia is a gunner for your knee ya by your Hosukakra. And come back hospital, see a coy operation. Since the Sako Bium and a Paswa one ha, ye jab bread one ye nenny pe we woo bassa, Sabia, Yanima, your call labor, your call one, and some bassa near Shri young Quassa. Say, see, the gunner for your nearby Hosunti. Son of Mr. Doctor Fonso said, one more shay in a Cecilia dear. Koto ewo ho emayen so my uncle Kumasi Juaben government hospital I host mercy on February this year.
Hi, Lawyer Jubo here. Yes, the Kumasi High Court, presided over by Justice Akrofa, only has awarded damages to the tune of 4.3 million cedis against the Juaben government hospital for negligently handling one Mabel Mensah. Now the brief background is that Mabel Mensah went to the Juaben hospital to deliver, and the hospital detected that she's gone past the 9 months. So they had two options, either to induce the pregnancy, induce her to deliver, or to go by cesarean operation, and they opted to induce her. And I think the drug they often resort to is a cytotec drug, and the plan was to break the one tablet down into 4 and administer each component every 4 hours after doing monitoring the fetal heart rate. Now the first one was done, the second one was done, but the subsequent ones were not done. And I think there was a change in shift, and the next morning the midwife came and administered a full tablet because she wanted to compensate for probably the sections which was not done. And when it happened, it led to uterine rupture and profuse bleeding. So the patient or the Mabel was bleeding profusely, and I think in the process the blood actually drowned the baby. The baby drowned his own blood, and because once a baby drowns in the blood, it leads to asphyxiation, which is difficulty in breathing, difficulty in accessing oxygen. Now that led to cerebral palsy. So the baby was born with the cerebral palsy, and the matter was taken to court, and the High Court sided with the patient and awarded damages to the tune of 4 million and cost of 300,000 making a total of 4.3 million. So, ladies and gentlemen, the issue of medical negligence is real, as I keep saying in Ghana. If your right as a patient is breached, you are highly advised not to keep silent, but to explore and test our law. You never know, you could be the next lucky one to win damages to compensate for your loss.
Me da se say oje bre twem se sia de nyina ye ni ada ho we nso nkyere se nu nti a doctor for yen ye dwuma yi ana se wo bia so befa kwan bi so e de eye doctor for akọ a court yen hwe se embra no befa na kwan mu akwie ntwa akra.